Hello, viewers. Hope you all are alright. Today we are talking about Williams and Mary. Physiology professor make a moral case for ignoring politics. Voting is an important civil duty and one is obligated to research candidates and go to the polls. Conventional wisdom says, but not so fast, say Christopher Freeman. There's actually no need to do any of that. Freeman, associated professor of physiology at Williams and Mary, outlines his reasoning in his new book, Why It's Okay to Ignore Politics, just in time for the November 2 election. He makes an interesting yet controversial case and has experienced blowback because of it. In a nutshell, Freeman argues that it's morally better to forego political participation in favor of more effective forms of altruism. His book is part of the series Why It's Okay, The Ethics and Aesthetic of How We Live. The basic idea behind the series is physiology defending things that non-physiology tend to do, but that physiology don't like. Ferryman said. So, in my case, a lot of people don't vote, and a lot of physiologists think that they should vote. So, I was defending the non physiological action against the objection that they get from the physiologist. Ferryman's position is that political participation is generally not an effective way of helping people. If a citizen is interested in doing that, they instead could not things such as raise money for key charities that help improve people's lives. My basic agreement is that you should take the time that you would spend on something like preparing and casting a vote, so researching, debating, and then actually casting the vote, and maybe work overtime and donate your extra income to a charity like the Against Malaria Foundation, which helps save people's lives. Ferryman said that's more effective use for of your time. But there is a difference between saying this thing is impactful and saying I, as a single individual, can have an impact of this impactful thing. And so everything I say is perfectly consistent with the claim that politics is very morally significant, but that is an of itself does not imply that someone has to go out and vote. Okay, viewers, this is the latest news which was I talking about. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause the notification of my new videos in your mobile. Okay, viewers, be safe in your homes and take care of all your family members. I will come back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.